is one solution que es given, que es -4, x equal -4 and y equal -5, is solution or no? Of course, one way to do this is solving the system and compare, see this solution work or doesn't work. But another way, because it's just verify and the answer is yes or no, is plugging in equation by equation. Either way, guys. Suppose equation 1, I plug in x is -4 plus -5 would be equal, I claim this, -9. And -4 minus 5 is -9. This statement is true. It's okay. But it must be true in both equations. So equation 2 is -4, be careful with the sign, minus of the formula of the equation, and y is -4 should be equal +1. So this is -4 and double minus become positive. It's 0, 0, no 1, this is completely false. And the answer is no solution. No solution, que es the option B, no? This is one possibility. Another possibility, I said either way, is, well, let's do it quickly because it's no big deal. You take the system, the original system, you solve it, equation 1, equation 2. And it's easy because by elimination we are doing too fast. You add in the equation 1 plus equation 2, and the column of the x you have 2x, the column of the y cancel out, and this is -8 because -9 minus +1 is -8 divided by 2, x is equal to -4. Okay, at least this answer is correct. But to find the y, you take either equation, the equation that you prefer. I prefer the second, I don't know why. You replace. No x anymore, -4 minus y should be 1. And so for y. Minus y is equal to 1 plus 4 get 5. Negative y is 5 divided by -1 both sides. Y is -5. Is, right? Wait. This is true. Let me see, -4. Okay. I make a mistake. It's -5. Why is -5? Entonces I see contradiction, ¿no? A ver, let me see, -4 minus y equal 1. Okay, wait, what's the problem? I don't see the problem. It's a 5
Professor,
on
equation 2, you put -4 minus -4 when it's supposed to be -5.
Ah, you are right. You are right. Thank you. I have a student super. So in that part, fortunately, I did in both ways. Okay, entonces es -5, she said. Entonces es -4 plus 5. Es obvio que es 1. 1 equal 1 is true. And the answer is yes. No, it's yes. It's a 50-50, you know. See, I make a stupid mistake. I screw up everything. This is mathematics. Mathematics is horrible. We made stupid mistake. Entonces I would like always in any problem double checking. I am doing that way, but double checking in that way. Entonces I realize I make a mistake. And I try to fix the mistake, pero she helped me to find the mistake. Any question? And number 1 question. Do you understand very well or no? Okay, yes. Let's do it the second. May I erase the board or not yet? Okay, cool. 2 is similar. So I duplicate the question to practice, but on the test you have one kind of question only that you verify. Suppose x plus y is equal to 0, equation 1, and x minus y is equal negative 12. And the solution that they propose us is x6 and y6 positive. It's doing replace 6 plus 6 equals 0. Completely false. No solution. It's obvious, right? Okay, let me try, see you solve it. For example, you add in the equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 is 2x, and the column of the x and the column of the y cancel out. Entonces es negative 12. And when you divide by 2, x is equal to minus 6. And not positive 6, it's negative 6. And substitution, and the one equation that, in my opinion, is the best, minus 6 plus y equals 0, is obvious that y is positive 6. And the actual solution is x equal minus 6 and y is equal to 6. So this part is okay, but this is not. Therefore, this is no solution. This solution gets given in the problem doesn't work. The proof it doesn't work. No solution, option B. No solution. Cool? One question like that you see. And the first question of the test, you see this question. Only you verify. So you here verify, not necessarily solving. You verify, proving one by one, see everything is true, a solution. See one, at least one failed, no solution. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 look like different because in number 3 I need to solve it. This system by elimination. Okay, 7x plus 63y equals 63. Equation 1. 7x minus 9y equal negative 9. Equation 2. Okay, let me try to do my best. Day 1 elimination. Okay, so elimination is maybe, remember the key idea for elimination is I need to manipulate. There are many ways, no infinity way, but there are many ways. For example, the way guys I use in my paper was, if you multiply the equation number 2, multiplication by negative 1. Why was the idea? Well, when you multiply by negative 1, this becomes like a negative 7x, and you see get ready for elimination. Plus 9y equal positive 9. And this is my equation new number 2. It's equivalent, of course, depending, it's the same thing with the equation 2 original. No? However, when you add in 1 plus 2, it's obvious that the x is cancelled out. We have 63 plus 9 is 72. And here, by coincidence, it's also 72 because it's 63 plus 9. No? Entonces es obvio que y es 1. Okay, but I need to find both. In order to find both, I take always guide the easier equation. Okay, my opinion is the original equation 2. It's a completely, there are different ways to solve it. As you are doing well, every solution is valid. Okay. Therefore, wow. Okay. I take that. Okay, 7x minus 9 times y, but y 1. 9 times 1 over 9 equal negative 9. Okay, this is 7x is equal negative 9 plus 9. I move that 9 to the right hand side like a positive. This is 0. Wow. Divided by 7, everything. And 0 divided by any number always is 0. Entonces x es 0, and the solution is the order pair 0,1, ¿no? 0,1 like option A. Let me double checking. Yeah, 0,1. Everyone follow me so far? Easy, easy? Good. This is the review. So therefore, I appreciate so much. So you don't understand one thing, you ask me. Okay, this is the intention. No? We are doing fast because it's a review. No? However, any question, any doubt, any problem, if you don't understand very well, you let me know. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Number 4, day 1, also elimination. Okay, let me try to understand the problem. 6x plus 3y equal 51, equation 1, and 2x minus 6y equal 38, equation 2. Listen, my system, if that strategy que I apply, well, one clue, guy, look, take advantage. There are many ways, I know, but take advantage when you have opposite sign, plus or minus. It would be fantastic if you multiply the equation 1 times -2, because -2 times +3 is -6. No, it's +2, not -2. Actually, I have this. So it's 2, +2. If you multiply the equation 1 times +2, we have +6y and -6y. Now, you multiply 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. And 51 times 2 is 102. And this is my new equation 1. Okay, it's completely equal. Algebraically, depending, whatever you want to call. Now, equation 1 and equation 2 together is 14. Because 12 plus 2, no? Is cancelled out. That was the intention. And the right hand side will have 140, no? Because the 10 carried that 1, yeah, 140 divided by 14 both sides. X equal 10. Now in order to find the y value, you're using either equation. Of course, don't complicate your life. You're using the easier equation. In my opinion, the easier equation is this one. Why is easy? Because the number is smaller, I suppose. No, this is up to you. Some people say, no, I like the first one. It doesn't matter. You get the same answer. Now, you plug in, replace x for 10. This is 20. 2 times 10 minus 6y equal 38. So now minus 6y is equal 38 minus 20. Okay, minus 6y is equal 18. Subtraction, and now divided by -6 both sides. And so the y is -3. Y is -3. Okay. Now the solution is the order pair 10, -3, que corresponde with the option A again. Let me check it. 10, -3. Good. Any question? You have no problem. So far, you have 100 points. Cool, no problem. Let's move on to the 5. 6, que is a little bit more complicated because it's 3 variables. No? Okay, 3 variables, a 3-dimension system of equation. Okay. Question number 5, let me try. Question number 5 says x plus y plus z equal 4. This is equation 1. X minus y plus 5z equal 12. Equation 2. And 3x plus y plus z equal to equation 2. Okay. But the question say verify. Entonces verify no necessarily solving. En 2 by 2, o sea, tu equation 2 o no es super easy. Pero you know que 3 equation and 3 or no es not too hard, but it's long. Entonces now I verify. Okay, verify the solution. Que the solution, let me see. The solution that they propose is 3, x equal 3, y equal 2, positive, and c equal negative 1. Okay, so we are doing equation by equation. Equation 1 verification. Equation 1 verification. Equation 1 verification is x is 3, y is 2, and c is negative 1. Should be equal 4. I claim that. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus or minus minus, 4 equals 4. True. At least in the first equation, work. Equation 2. This is 3 again, minus y gets 2, plus 5 times negative 1. Should be 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Whoa. Doesn't work because it's negative 4, no? Equal positive 12. Sorry, it's a 12. This is negative 4 equal 12, completely false. Entonces, it's not that the system have no solution. No. Maybe the system have solutions, but this solution doesn't work. When I try to verify, the equation 2 fails. So no. It is not solution. It is not a solution. Okay, the answer, right? Maybe the system have solution, but it's another one. Okay, cool. Any question? And the question 5. No? No. I can raise the bar? No? Wait for you? Wait. No. Okay, I'm waiting for you. You let me know when you I can raise the bar. Yes, okay. Question 6 is also easy. Is you have a system, but in this case no verify. No, you need to solve it. Okay, this is my first equation. This is my second equation. And this is my third equation. Wow, but you see something important characteristic of this system. This system, guys, is called echelon. Echelon. What means echelon? Echelon means it's like, you know, one stairs. Two. Because, for example, in the first equation, we have completed the collection x, y, and z. However, in the equation 2, x is missing, and the last equation, x and y are missing. So I take advantage of this to solving this. And when this situation happens, when this echelon, you see in detail in the next chapter, this continuation of the system. Okay, we need to convert to echelon. Because when you have an echelon, we apply one thing is called a back substitution. And what is back substitution? Well, I have in my hand the C is negative 2. Because this is the last equation. Now I go back. I go plugging in the answer of the 3 into the second equation. So 5y plus 3 times negative 2 is equal 4. 5y minus 6 is equal 4. 5y is equal 4 plus 6 is 10. Divided by 5 both sides. It's so big a y2. So we have this at the beginning. We have down in the second equation. Now back substitution. I have in my hand c and y. I solve for x in the first one. Okay, in the first one is x plus 4 times y, que es 2, plus 2 times negative 2, que es z, is equal to 3. Okay, so this is x plus 8 minus 4 equal 3. 8 minus 4 is 4, positive 4. Now x alone is 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Therefore, the solution for this system was the triplet order negative 1, comma, positive 2, comma, negative 2. And you write always in this alphabetic order, x, y, and z. See the option A again. Okay. We are doing number 6, no? Number 7. Now. No problema. We can erase the board. Cool. No problem. Remember, Wednesday I will send the test, right? That you have and turn in to me Monday, next Monday. Next Monday is June 20, is the due date for everything. Reading test and online test, including the homework. Okay, right. Okay, 7. 7 is we are. 7 is, look. 7 is x plus y plus z equal to x minus y plus 3z equal 14. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and equation 3 is 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to equation 3. Okay. Now, I apply the systematic way. Okay, you know, you pair two equations and try to eliminate one variable, and you pair another equation and eliminate another variable. And finally, we have two equations and two unknown, and you solve it like a traditional way. But let me notice something. The equation 3, if you divide by 2 this equation, we have x plus y plus z, because the 2 is cancelled, equals 6. This is equation 3 after the simplification, because the coefficient is even number divisible by 2. Nice. If you compare equation 1 and equation 3, you see contradiction, because one thing is x, y, z is equal to 10, and the same thing x, y, z is equal to 6. And this is impossible, because in algebra, one expression equals 10 and the same expression equals 6 is a contradiction. O es 10 or es 6, but not both. This is a glue. This is a glue. Sorry for being late. No problema. Ken, Cooper, no problema. Come on. You incorporate now, and the part you don't see watching the video in YouTube, no? Do you understand que es a contradiction? Entonces, this smell, at least for me, no solution. Pero okay, no. Entonces yo say, bueno, professor, all will happen, no? Ese particular example happened, pero I don't know. Suppose que I take the equation 1. This is a systematic way. You don't realize this fact. You copy equation 1 and equation 2. I put intentionally because this equation is ready for elimination, at least the y part, no? This is 2x. This is cancel out. This is 4z. And this is 24, no? And this is my equation 4. Okay, if you want, we can divide it by 2 because the number is even, no? So you divide by 2, you divide by 2, you divide, or no. It's completely up to you to see equal to. This is my equation 4. Now I take another couple. And very important, you eliminate the same variable. So suppose you take the number 3, exactly the original gets 2x, because to y, because I don't realize very well the idea. Okay, there's the same. No. So I copy equation 3 and equation 2. And equation 2 to be good candidate to be elimination y also, because it's x minus y plus 3z equal 14. Okay, equation 2. Entonces to apply elimination, obviously, and remember we are totally enforcing to cancel out the same variable with y. We multiply the equation 2 multiplication by 2. So you multiply by 2, we have 2x minus 2y plus 6z equal 28. 28. This is equation 2 now, after the multiplication. And when you combine 3 and the 2 new, this is 4x. This cancel out. This is the intention, important intention. And this is 8z equal 28, 12 is 10 carry that 140, no? 40. Ooh, and everything is divisible by 4 in that case, you know, by 4 by 4 by 4. Then you have x plus 2z equal 10. 40 divided by 2. And you consider that this is equation number 5. Entonces, you see now a contradiction, but suppose that some students don't see now the contradiction. Okay, no problem. This is equation 5, and I try to continue the problem. Elimination one more time. Well, multiplication 5 by negative 1 maybe, because I need negative x minus 2z equal minus 10. This is the equation 5 after the multiplication. And when you add in this and this is cancel out, boom. This is cancel out, boom. This is 0 in the left hand side. And the right hand side we have 12 minus 10 is 2. This is completely false statement that indicates of that this system have no solution. One more time. Cool. Do you understand very well everything? Either way, guys. So you see, no, wait. I don't want to solve this because it's a stupid system, and it's a stupid system because I saw that the equation number 1 and equation number 3 is the same, but equal different number. Therefore, this is a contradiction. Therefore, I don't need to solve it because I know very well there's no solution. Or no, you don't see this because sometimes it's confusing, sometimes it's no nice, clear to see this information, and when you apply the systematic way, and you can go to the answer that is contradiction. There's no solution. Okay? Okay. I suppose that's enough. Let's move on to the partial fraction decomposition. We have in the handout, guys, one easy problems and one complicated. The easy I want to solve it by hand here, and the complicated no. I complicated I want to solving by Wolfram Alpha. So Wolfram Alpha, I want to show you now. Wolfram Alpha is a software online que help me with the algebra and calculus. Entonces I want to explain how. Pero no. Bueno, yeah. We solve it one by hand and double checking Wolfram Alpha. But when you are doing in the test, I never put the complicated problem. I put the no elementary, pero doable, easy. In the review, no. I put it one gets impossible. No, not impossible. But you spend 2 weeks doing that. So no. You don't worry. When you take calculus, okay, at least you need to know what is the procedure. However, in calculus, we are doing something more complicated, calculus, and some algebra support of the calculus we can do using Wolfram Alpha, maybe. I don't know if the teacher allowed or no. I suppose que yes. But okay. Don't worry for this. Let's do it. I want to erase the board. Boom. Okay, it's partial fraction decomposition. Question 8. This is easy. This is x minus 6 divided by x minus 2, x minus 4. It's a typical case number 1 in which the factors of the polynomial in the denominator is linear, non-repeater. Cool. And also, they are so very, very kind to give me the factorization. Okay? So I know that the format for the partial fraction decomposition is x minus 2, a, and x minus 4, b. And we start the process. Now, least common denominator is x minus 2, x minus 4. And when you multiply these complete equation one by one by the LCD, it's obvious in the left hand side everything is cancelled and stay only x minus 6. And the first one is a times x minus 4 and b times x minus 2. Everyone follow me with this idea or no? Okay, I can explain in another way. It's clear. It's clear, right? No, it's just clear. Let's use the super smart value. The smart value is nice way. Suppose x equals 4. Why 4? Because when you plug in 4 minus 4 is 0. You plug in 4. X replace x for 4. 4 minus 6 is equal a times 4 minus 4 is 0. It's going that far. Plus b 4 minus 2. And 4 minus 6 is negative 2. That part is gone. B and 4 minus 2 is 2. Divided by 2 both sides. B is negative. Now another smart value is x equal to. You plug in it here in this expression, guys. 2 minus 6 is equal a times 2 minus 4 plus b times 2 minus 2 is 0. This is negative 4 and this is negative 2. Divided by negative 2 both sides. It's obvious that a is 2. Positive 2. Okay, this is what my answer. Well, my answer is 2 here. And negative 1 here. So you write like that, 2 here, negative 1 here, or either way, the way you prefer, this is equivalent to say 1 here, and you change the sign of this. Either way. And this is the partial fraction decomposition. Cool? Cool. I want to take advantage, okay, to explain Wolfram Alpha. Okay, let me try to do my best. Okay, Wolfram Alpha. Okay, I open another browser, Google Chrome, another window. I go to the Wolfram Alpha. Okay, let me share the screen. And immediately, don't try to do, only watch me. And after you want, in the next one, you try. But only watching me now. Okay, Google Chrome, I open. Okay, Google Chrome, where is Google Chrome? Yeah, over there. Over there. Do you see? Entonces I using my keyboard. Y ahí type Wolfram Alpha. Ah, there you go, Wolfram Alpha. Ah. And you see the Wolfram Alpha is computational intelligence. Open that. Yeah, go to the algebra. It's the algebra, elementary math, algebra, graphing, calculus, whoa. But algebra. To go to the algebra. And you take any boxes of the algebra. Okay, solving equation, rational function, either way. You take rational function. It doesn't matter. The box working similar. Depending the word of the keyword you put at the beginning, solving. But no, I want to, for example, okay, I open that. I erase everything. I don't care. Solution. No. My problem is no solution, it's partial fraction decomposition. Entonces, the word you put here, partial fraction decomposition. O sea, PFD. And you open the parentheses and you copy the expression. Be careful when you copy, because it's extremely important that you open the parentheses to enclose the polynomial in the numerator, band, division, and open new parentheses to enclose everything in the denominator. Okay, actually, we have two parentheses. Is x minus 2, close the parentheses, just in case, to make sure. I put time here, que es de after, no? Es shift 8, no? Because, you know, si the syntax is not clear, Wolfram Alpha confusing. I don't understand very well your expression, professor. Entonces, x minus 4 close the parenthesis, of the parenthesis, close another parenthesis, get the parenthesis can close everything, and close the last parenthesis, get the parenthesis que ending the function PFD, partial fraction decomposition. Let me see if it works or doesn't work. I click here in the bottom, compute input, bang, and copy the original problem to verify, o sea, que you compare the problem que Wolfram Alpha solved for us is exactly the same the problem that we have in the whiteboard, okay? And the partial fraction decomposition, look at that here, is 2 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 4. Boom, we are the best. But we're using this to double checking, So we are doing this and they complicated in the package. And the test, no. And the test, I promise that the problem I put was relatively easy by hand, but you double checking with the Wolfram. Clear? Super clear or no? Let's come back to the whiteboard to continue. Let me share the screen, the whiteboard. Microsoft whiteboard. Now, do you see the whiteboard? Doing one more. Number 9. Number 9 says 4x squared minus x minus 13 divided by x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay, nice. I appreciate it so much. que the professor give me the polynomial and the denominator in factory form. I already do the factorization. Okay, this I avoid this job, the factorization. Identification that the factor, we have three factors. The factors are real, non-repeating. Okay, so x plus 1, x minus 1, ABC. And ABC is the number that I need to find. Okay, one more time happen. LCD is x times x plus 1, x minus 1. Remember, guys, the rule of the find LCD, you take in the LCD every factor in the denominator. When the sum factor is repeated, you take the majority, no? Suppose another example is x plus 1 squared, x minus 1 cubic. Oh no, x minus 1. That's it. And this is cubic. Suppose. This is the LCD, no? You take the majority, right? The majority of the factor. So in this case, the greatest point. See, entonces no repeat it one more time. Okay. So now, okay, you multiply everything by the LCD. It's obvious. Okay. In the left hand side, we have 4x squared minus x minus 13 is equal. Let me try. When you multiply LCD by the first, it's obvious that this x cancel. And stay alive, a times x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay. When you multiply the second by the LCD, it's obvious that x plus 1 is cancelled. And stay alive, b times x minus 1. And when you multiply using green color, when you multiply the third, the LCD by the third, x minus 1 cancel, and stay c times x plus 1. Cool. Okay, and this is the expression I need to work in using a smart value or no, or system of equation, or, you know. I try to do my best. It's obvious that smart value, remember, it's a value that may zero at least one part of the equation. Suppose, let me start for let x 0. Substitution x for 0. And the left hand side stay alive only negative 13. And the right hand side we have a 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. And this is say goodbye because multiply by 0, 0 times something is 0. And as we focus in that part, at least we get the a value. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So basically, x equals negative 8 divided by negative 1 both sides. 8 is 30. Cool. Now another smart value may be as 1. Substitution. See 1 positive. This is 4 minus 1 minus 13. This is negative 10 because 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 positive minus 13 is negative. Good. But when you add 1, that part disappears because 1 minus 1 is 0, and that's also disappear. And stay alive only C part. C part times something. Times 1 because x is 1. Times 1 plus 1, que es 2. Entonces 2c. Divided by 2, both sides. Es obvio que c es negative 5. Cool. Now another smart value. This is problem. It's easy, it's long, but it's easy. It could be -1. When you evaluate a -1, we have 4. Plugging in -1 here, -1 squared +1, -1, double minus. Don't be careful with the signs. So actually is 4 + 1 -13. It is -8 because they're 5. 13 - 5 is 8, but it's negative. -1, that part is gone because -1 + 1 is 0, and that part can be stay, and that part can see is -1 + 1 is 0 again, one more time, and stay alive b times -1, and -1 - 1 is -2. So it's -1, this is -2, multiplication is possible to be divided by 2, both sides, b is negative. Then my final answer in the partial fraction decomposition is you erase ABC, no ABC anymore. I found the value for the ABC in the partial fraction decomposition, 13. C is -5, no? Okay, this guy. And B is -4. You can write like that either way, or you put a negative in the front. I suppose the Wolfram alpha is very, very picky. Put the answer like that. Negative and negative. And this is my final answer. Now you dare to do the verification, double checking in Wolfram alpha. I try again. I try by myself. But you try. You open your browser, open Google Chrome, type in the search box Wolfram alpha, like that. Wolfram alpha. Wolfram alpha, and you try to find the algebra part. Okay. Now after that, you select arbitrary boxes, and inside the boxes you type in our expression, no? Let me try. Do you see my, no, you don't. I share the screen or not? Let me know, guys. Okay, I'm confused. Do you see my screen or not? The Wolfram alpha. That one. Do you see? No. Okay. Now. No. Definitely no. I need to. No. Yes, Sergio Medina is yes. Okay, just remember, you in any box of the algebra, you delete everything, and the command you put the PFD, partial fraction decomposition, and you copy. And in the numerator, it's important the parentheses. And in the top polynomial we have 4. And between number and variable, not necessarily typing time. But in between variable and variable, yes. So 4x squared, and x is this, and square is power, that symbol is square. Minus x minus 13. Close the parenthesis to indicate to finish the numerator. Divided by, open another parenthesis, and you copy x. Go to the right, multiplication. Parenthesis, guys. X plus 1. Time. Suppose, I don't know if it's totally mandatory at the time, but just in case I put time. If you want, you try, but I do not recommend. paréntesis x minus 1, minus 1, and close the parenthesis. And close another parenthesis, que es de paréntesis, que enclose everything in the denominator part. And we finish another parenthesis, que is the outermost parenthesis of the function P partial fraction decomposition. Okay, and you press the button. Thinking, bam, 13 minus 4 minus 5. Not necessarily you put in the same order that you're working in the paper. Yeah, it was in the same order. It's a coincidence, but no, it's a coincidence. It's a coincidence. Did you get the same answer like me? You did or no? Or you don't dare to do this? Huh? Answer me. You didn't work for alpha or no? No, okay. I have not tried. Okay. No problem. This you can do. This is, remember, this is recording in the video on YouTube. You're watching the game. Suppose that you try, you cannot. You're watching the video and you see. Okay. Not necessarily now. The problem now is you get the idea. You get the big idea. The fundamental idea. And after we practice, you study, you are doing the test. Okay, let me share the whiteboard now. Okay. Whiteboard. Here. Do you see whiteboard? You see? Okay. Let's do one more. Actually, we have two more. This is a little bit more complicated. And the next one, this 11, is super complicated. And we are doing using for alpha, of course. Repeat in the test, no, super complicated, but in the review, yes. Because I want to prepare you for the moment that you need this in calculus. Okay, suppose this polynomial in the denominator. Okay, and let's do something. Okay, unfortunately, the polynomial in the denominator is not giving in factory form. I need to factorize. But the greatest common factor is solve to get x. The factor of x. And stay x squared minus ax plus 50. I continue factorization. Of course, I continue factorization because this is trinomial. I try to do my best. And the trinomial, open two parentheses. The variable is x, and the combination is 4, no? It's 4 because 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 plus 4 is 8. It's a 4, both negative. Entonces this factor is repeated. This factor is repeated, and this factor is repeated. You can write in that way because it's repeated. And remember the rule of the partial fraction decomposition. I want to copy again my problem so far. And you break it down in 3 partial fraction decomposition. The first one is x, is this guy. The second is x minus 4 one time, and the third one is x minus 4 squared. Remember the rule. I explained in the lecture. I suppose you remember. Suppose you have x minus 4 cubic. So you decompose x minus 4 squared, and x minus 4 cubed. So in this case, no, fortunately, we have x minus 4 squared, and you decompose in x minus 4 linear and x minus 4 squared, quadratic. I call ABC. ABC. Okay? And the least common denominator is x times x minus 4 squared. Remember, you take every factor and take the majority. It's completely wrong to say the least common denominator is x minus 4. No, because you have 2x minus 4, and you take the majority of the factor that belong to the same number, no? And when you multiply this expression, complete expression, by this, you get 80 minus 14x. Cool. You have 8 times x minus 4 squared. You have b times x minus 4. The reason is because when you multiply, it's obvious that x minus 4 cancel out on the only one and stay alive x and x minus 4 times, right? And the third, no. And the third is cx, because this completely cancel out with this. I stay x times. Is clear? Okay, this is super important moment. This is the expression that I manipulate using smart value, frame value, because when the smart value is gone, we have no more, and we need totally arbitrary value that I call frame value, no? Or apply the system que es too tedious. Ok, entonces suppose x equals 0, smart value, x equals 0, because I know that when you plug in 0, that part disappears and that part disappears, because 0 times 0, and stay only 80. Entonces 80 minus 14. No. 0 plugging in here, 14 disappears. It's just 80. 80 equal 8 times something is 0 minus 4 squared. And negative 4 squared is 16, no? 16 positive, no? And divided by 16 both sides. AFI. Do you follow me so far? Okay. Another smart value, okay, by the way, is the last. F4. Okay, when you plug it in 4, 80 minus 14 times 4. Okay, just stop. And when I computed everything, that part, just in case, is 80 minus 56, no? 14 times 4. This is 66, no? 64 or 66, no, really. 80 minus 56 is 24. Let me see. 80, 56, subtraction, more than 1 because 7. This is 10, 4, and 24. 24. 24 is equal. 24 is equal. When you plug it in 24, this is gone. And this is gone. I stay C only. Wow. C times 4. Divided by 4, both sides. C is 6. Cool. That was easy. It's easy when you have smart value because simplification, expression, and others. But we have no more smart. One possibility is plugging in everything and solve for B, but using one value and one frame value. It's not smart, but at least it's a value that is easy, or relatively easy. Suppose I like so much 0. 0 fantastic. So now, no, 0 no. 0 is impossible. 0 was smart. Hello. Entonces, another small frame value es 1. O 2 or 3, pero ya too much. 1 is good. Entonces, you plug it in the original is 80 minus 14. 14 times 1. Okay, entonces es 66, ¿no? 66. We have 8, pero 8 I know que 5. And we have 1 minus 4 squared. Okay, so far I set up this computation after I combine it. B, que I don't have B. Multiplication by 1, que x is 1, multiplication 1 by 4. Plus C, que is 6 times 1. Cool. So now let's focus here in that part. Okay, that part is 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And negative 3 squared is positive 9. Remember, it's negative 3 is squared. Entonces es 9 times 5, 45. This part is 45. Plus something. This is negative 3 times 1 is negative 3b. So I erase this plus, actually it's minus. Minus 3b. I don't understand where the reason I copy here. I'm following the same line. 45 minus 3b plus 6 equals 66, no? Okay, cool. Now, 45, 66 is equal 45 plus 6 is 51, 51 minus 3b. Okay, so for b is 66 minus 51 divided by negative 3. This is 15. Yeah, divided by negative 3 is negative 5. Okay, b is negative. Super. Now my answer is I erase the word, the letter ABC, no ABC anymore. I write A is 5, B is negative 5, no? Yeah, negative 5, you put either way, negative 5 here or no. You know you put the negative here. C is 6, no? 6. And it's the answer. Of course, too long. And when it's too long, it's not hard. Maybe it's not hard, but this long. In the long procedure, you make a mistake and one is to be signed and you screw up everything. Therefore, recommendation checking, double checking in Wolfram. Okay, it's doing. You see my work. Any question in that part? Okay. Let's move on. Wolfram. Okay, let me share the screen. Here, over there. Switching to Wolfram. Do you see Wolfram? Okay. I want to delete everything. No everything. So I only delete the spreadsheet. Okay, I put PFD and open two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I open the parentheses to enclose the numerator. Numerator is 80. Close the parentheses. I finish numerator divided by. Open another parenthesis, and the other parenthesis I want to copy, guys, without factorization. Without factorization. So I copy x cubic. Either way, so you copy the factorization, it's x cubic, time parentheses x minus 4. No, hello, what the hell? Okay. You copy the original, que es x cubed minus 8 x squared plus 16 plus the parenthesis, que es the parenthesis que enclose the polynomial in the denominator, and put, I make a mistake here, you put equal. The reason we put equal is because it's the same key. When you put shift equal, and I did okay, no? Yeah. I mean to say I close the last parenthesis and that's it. I guess so. I suppose I am doing okay. Click here. Okay, F5 is -5 y es +6. Cool. And if you pay extra money in Wolfram Alpha, but it's not very expensive. It's cheaper. It's $3 something. You can do step by step the solution. Okay, it's up to you. I don't care. I don't want you pay. Only you using this to check it, because if you put a final answer and I don't see the word, entonces I put 0. Okay, I put 0. Number 11. Number 11 is really nasty. Number 11 is really nasty. Number 11 is I can't do that. Actually, in my paper I have, but we spend 2 hours doing, at least, doing that. The thing I bring in this example is to illustrate you que this is the typical problem, que is not too hard, however it's too long. And when it's too long, everyone makes a mistake. I remember when I take calculus 2, when I was students, one professor put one partial fraction decomposition problem to integration, of course. And the students spent 2 weeks doing this problem, no? Because it's too long. This is not my intention, but at least my intention is to illustrate that it's possible to complicate a lot of this. But don't frustrate for this, because in the test I never put this stupid problem, number 1. Y suppose que you see in Calc 2 this problem we using Wolfram Alpha. It's our friend. But the most important is, do you see whiteboard, right? Yes or no? Do you see or no? Okay, cool. The most important is, okay, no problem, I understand. The problem, the professor give me the problem, I need to understand that we have multiplicity 2 and multiplicity 3. This is real, but real repeated factors. Entonces you copy x, you copy x squared. I finish this factor, that's 2. But another factor is x plus 1, x plus 1 squared, and x plus 1 cubed. And total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You say something? Want to putting off the microphone? Because make a noise. A ver, who make a noise? Oh, noise. You. I don't see who make a noise. Daniel, you make a noise. I put in mute and the noise is finished. Okay? Hello. Okay, entonces I go, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, and E. Do you understand very well the format? Of course, this is not crazy, the 2 week, pero es 2 hours. Entonces now let's do in Wolfram Alpha. It's obvious, right? And you determine who is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay. Well, Jose. Look, Jose, let's do in Wolfram Alpha. This a little bit crazy problem. Okay. I'm using my keyboard. Well, let me try to see you see or not my word in Wolfram Alpha. Switching to Wolfram Alpha. Do you see Wolfram Alpha in my screen or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now I copy. It's easy. You copy the polynomial, the numerator, que es 7x cubic minus 2. Okay, y I enclose in the parentheses the numerator divided by another parenthesis to enclose denominator polynomial, que es x squared. Okay. So now wait. You write like that, or another parenthesis just in case. I don't know if it works or doesn't work, but at least I try. Multiplication. The parenthesis is never enough. You put more parentheses down, the answer is okay. So you forgot or omit or don't close one parenthesis you open to say the Wolfram Alpha sake, no? I don't understand the problem. Is mistake. Sometimes it's a mistake. And this is x plus 1. X plus 1. Close the parenthesis. Put power cubic. B. Close the parenthesis. I don't know. Let me check the parenthesis. This parenthesis is the parenthesis can close everything in the denominator, and one more parenthesis to finish. Cool. You see in green color how temporary highlight this parenthesis. You see it matching perfectly. Now click here. Wow, I want to copy A. The guy called A is 6. The guy called B is -2. Not necessarily they put in the same order that I have in a piece of paper, in my Word. The guy called C is -6. The guy called D is +3. And the guy called E is -9. Yeah, -9. Okay. Do you see that? Let me match it with this. Okay, let me see whether suppose que I mira, to see much better everything. I propose you make a screenshot. Make a screenshot of that part. It's the important part. No? Okay, let me save this screenshot. And then stop here. Cool. I try now to put it in the whiteboard to do one elegant solution. Okay, you share now whiteboard. Do you see my whiteboard now or no? Do you see or no? Do you see? Do you see? Yes or no? Hey, what happened? Yes, okay. Now let's see to find the screenshot. Okay, I suppose it's this. Suppose. There you go. I got it. Look, compare the Wolfram Alpha idea with the okay. Who is A? A is that guy. How do you recognize? Because the denominator is x. So A is 6. Who is B? Oh, associated with the x squared. Is that guy. Es negative. B is negative. Cool. Who is C? Ah, C is this guy. Is negative 6. Guy, let me know if I make a mistake. D is 3 positive. And E is negative 9. Remember, either way, you write here or you put a negative in the front with a negative. It's equivalent, no problem. Everyone understands the word. Of course, I understand very well. Any question? Wow, we have another one of the partial fraction decomposition. I suppose que is the last one. Okay, wait. No question. Okay. I have another problem of the partial fraction too much. This is I suppose it's important that part in the test, right? Partial fraction decomposition. Let's do a number 12. Number 12 we are doing in both ways, by hand and word from us. Is ax plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. This is important. Why is important? Because bring me new situation. What is the new situation? X minus 1 is real, linear. But x squared plus x plus 1 is irreducible quadratic. Okay? Therefore, the format for the partial fraction decomposition is A, and this is bx plus C. And when it's quadratic irreducible, it's a linear. When it's degree 1, it's degree 0. The degree 2 is degree 1. Because this polynomial, this trinomial, is impossible, the factorization. Suppose you want to prove another scenario. X squared plus x plus 1. You apply quadratic formula. Oh no! You determine that A, B, and C is 1, 1, 1, no? And this 1, 1, 1. And you compute the discriminant gets B squared minus 4AC. Can give me the behavior. See, the discriminant is negative, so is the solution is or complex or imaginary. So it's 1 squared minus 4 times 1 is 1 minus 4 is negative. Negative 3 is negative. That indicates us that this is irreducible quadratic trinomial, and we can now factor it in the traditional way that we are doing in the real field. Entonces now, imaginary or complex, I don't care in that part. I realize irreducible quadratic, I separate, but the only difference is in the numerator you put linear. Quadratic linear. Linear constant. Do you follow me? Do you understand very well this idea, right? Yeah, you see polynomial with me in the first chapter. Okay, so what is the least common denominator? Well, the least common denominator is x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. And when you multiply this entire expression by the LCD, this entire equation, because the equal sign is equation, is ax plus 1 equal 8 times x squared plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c times x minus 1. Okay, cool. Therefore, you now apply smart value. But we have only one, is 1. Que es the guy when you plug it in disappear, that part 0. So 1 is a plus 1 is 9. S equals something. S equal a 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. 3a. Therefore, divided by 3 both sides. And the equation so far is 9 equal 3a. Divided by 3. It's obvious that a is 3. At least I have in my hand a. Okay. No bad. And the rest is imaginary. You can plug in 0, but no. In my opinion, the most efficiency way is, look, measure. You expand this. You take ax plus 1. And you multiply. You apply distribute. Here's ax squared plus ax plus a. No? And you FOIL this. Okay, is bx times x is bx squared minus bx plus cx minus c. I FOIL. First, outer, inner, and last. And you combine later. You consider, for example, the lighter than this and this is a plus b squared. It doesn't matter what you put a square in here or here. And you combine later is this, and this. Okay, is x a minus b plus c. And finally, the term that do not contain is a minus c, no? A minus c, a minus c. And closing the bracket, noise. And you can see, okay, you compare this polynomial in the right hand side and this polynomial in the left hand side. It's obvious that this polynomial have no quadratic term. Therefore, a plus b is 0. But I know that a is 3, therefore b is negative. Boom. Well, so I need to find only c. So it's easy. You take the equation que is, you know, for example, a minus b plus c equal a, no? Equal a, right? Or a minus c equal 1. Either way, entonces a es 3, b es negative 3, entonces plus 3, doble negative, plus c equal a, ¿no? Entonces dice 6 plus c equal 8, c equal a minus 2, que es 2. A minus 6, sorry. Esto. Another way, you say a minus c equal 1, ¿no? But a es 3, ¿no? 3 minus c equal 1. Entonces 3 minus 1 equals c, 3 minus 1 is 2. Either way, you select the easy way to consider. Therefore, the solution, let me write here. The solution is 3 over the final answer, the partial fraction decomposition, plus minus 3 x que es b plus 2 divided by x squared plus x. This is my final answer. Let me. Yeah, 3 minus 3 and positive 2. Okay. But just in case I want to verification, this is Wolfram Alpha, no? Remember, important guy, this is too long, everyone making mistake. The problem is that when I show you this, I saw it in my piece of paper, no? So I check it in my piece of paper. Yeah, I double check it in Wolfram Alpha, so I want to make sure 100% that my answer is correct. That is the reason I present in my lecture. But in the test, you need to make sure. You are doing well, no problem, I understand, but double check. Let's do it. And that's it for today. We continue next time in another topic. Okay, entonces Wolfram Alpha. Now. Okay. Do you see Wolfram Alpha? Okay, one more time. I use my keyboard. Yeah. Open polynomial. Open parenthesis. AX plus 1. I numerator and close the parenthesis. Division. The parenthesis. Open another parenthesis to enclose x minus 1. X minus 1. Close the parenthesis. Multiplication. A new parenthesis. No. Parenthesis. So we have x squared plus x. Parenthesis and close another parenthesis and close another parenthesis. Oh yes. Wow. Well, at least it's the green part indicating me. I don't know if it's good or not. Let's see. Cool. Look at that. Wolfram Alpha give me in different order. What does this say? Let me make a screenshot and put in the whiteboard. Okay, screenshot. Of this. Is 2 minus 3. Okay, you put in minus. I make a save. Okay, nice. Now I go to the whiteboard. Share. Okay. Switching to whiteboard. I suppose you see whiteboard, right? Let me try. Yes. Let me try. Image. My device. Capture. Open. Bang. This image. Okay. Now configure, please. This is the original problem at the beginning. Okay. And the answer they give me Wolfram Alpha was. Look, Wolfram Alpha. These three is A. Look at that. And B was -3. This was B and this was C. Okay, it's positive 2. Let me make a zoom to see it clear. However, when you write the answer, I don't know, you know, this software had extremely picky, sophisticated with the syntax of the algebra. So they prefer organize the expression in descending order of the degree. Look, they copy this part first because the higher degree. And copy no minus 3x plus 2. Copy 2 minus 3x. It's equivalent, you know. But the negative no in the front because it's not polite. This is cosmetic part. Plus 3 times x minus. End the story. Do you understand very well? So I propose you stop. I propose you stop, because we have 2 lectures for cover everything, right? The Wednesday we continue the review. We continue the complicated part. Okay, the linear system of equation, the inequality system, and linear programming, right? Okay, stop here. Enough. Too much, and we continue next day. Cool. No problem. Do you see my face? Do you see my face? Okay, so now I wish you good luck. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you for your attention.